No, I don't hate Bangalore. Please make it controversial. Oh yeah, we are hot. Chisama, నేను అందరు ఉన్నా, I'm not feeling. I'm going like a woman. Yes, look at this voice. I'm not against any religion.
Never ate a bagel.
No, it's yum. I don't know. Hello, guess where I am? And I already know the thumbnail for this video. You must have seen it already. No, I don't hate Bangalore. It's just that to get more views, I'm in to Hanusha. We call, yeah, it's a clickbait or bit.
Bait.
Clickbait.
Bait. B-A-I-T.
B-A-I-T.
Clickbait.
So I just put that thumbnail for clickbait. I hope I'll get a lot of views in this video. If not, then my karma is very bad and ankoni I'll just leave it to God. Inka edaithe adi ayindi, but I'll still keep vlogging. No, I don't hate any other city, but I really love my city, Hyderabad. Oh, so ఇక్కడ జిస్ట్ ఏంటంటే వేర్ ఐ యామ్ అంటే ఐ కేమ్ టు మీట్ సమ్వన్. వెరీ ఇంపల్సివ్ డెసిషన్. I've decided just in a day.
Very long time.
Yeah, no, it's the very first time. I don't think so I've ever took to travel this quick. Just in a second I took that decision and I was like, I'm gonna go. Yeah. So I am here in Bangalore with Anusha. I hope.
Background noise. Yay!
అది పెట్టాలా? So yeah, now we are heading out. Where are we going? Comdor.
Commodore. Yeah.
Yeah, first we are going to buy some
Footwear.
and then some clothes, and then we're gonna go to this Mexican place called Comdor
In Indranagar.
in Indranagar. We're gonna go there and I'll show you guys around. You guys are coming along with me. I'm gonna be here for 2 days.
Yes.
Monday kuda I'm planning to take leave. And are we going out Monday or else we're gonna just chill, talk about men, gossip?
Like we
But we
gossip.
don't we gossip about each other and not anybody else, because we don't have any interesting people in our lives more than ourselves.
Yeah.
I hope you got
Very
that.
self-involved.
Very
narcissistic.
not very narcissistic, but we are very much involved in our own problems, because those problems are so much controversial. Honestly, Anusha, both our problems are very controversial. So it is,
Yeah.
if we discuss those problems with you or with anybody
We're
else,
gonna get cancelled.
for sure we're gonna get cancelled, and I don't think so they're gonna agree with.
Yes. Anything.
Yeah.
Anything.
For sure everybody else are gonna be very 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 judgmental.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we thought we might as well gossip about each other and support each other. Whatever the crap is, you're getting a call. Decision in your life. ఆ చైన్ తీసేయడం.
Plenty of good decisions.
My perfume. చూసావా? Look at this, so cute.
ఏదది?
It's Victoria's Secret.
Bombshell.
Yeah, very cute. So I got all minis for this trip. Obviously, any trip it's minis. You want some? Would you like some? Yeah, you can take. So I did not get any makeup. ఎందుకంటే I trusted this madam way too much. But her lipsticks doesn't suit me. Her concealers doesn't suit me. Yeah, because they don't suit me. No, it's bit too grey for me.
Okay.
Yeah, and she doesn't have eyebrow anything.
Natural eyebrows.
So I'm gonna flaunt my natural skin on the streets of Bengaluru. We're going to Church Street also, no?
Yeah.
I've been there before. I've been everywhere before, but not with you to Church Street, and also Indranagar. And by the way,
Nothing
for the
too
first
different.
time Anusha recommended something for me. So I'm gonna show that to you. Give that Lipton's.
Recommended by my
Friends,
and
yeah.
member.
Shreya, I know you'll watch this for sure because Anusha Undana you'll watch, I know. So these are tinted lip plumping oils, all in one. They are
From
called from
Lamel.
Lamel. So 2 shades. Okati pink sparkle and the other one is watermelon.
Very
Pink sparkle
pigmented.
is my kind of thing. Watermelon is yours.
Mm.
So yeah, they are really good apparently, so you can check them out. Beauty influencer friends also become beauty influencers sometimes.
I was always.
Yeah, she was. Andike she was my friend. So I'm wearing Anusha's top today. See you guys. Bye. So we are here in I can't get it right. Comedor. It's a Mexican place and the place is really beautiful and perfect. So colorful and very nice. All the aesthetics. Yeah. They are colorful but not loud. Yeah, one eye is visible. Fine? Okay, fine. She don't want to be famous. If at all she comes in the vlogs, she might get famous. Ani, she's not getting in the vlog.
Not that. Definitely not that. I am not that photogenic at all.
So yeah, what did we order? We'll try and pronounce the names. Okay?
It's a
We'll try. Yeah, that's a fun game.
First we'll show, then we'll try to pronounce.
Yeah. No, they can't see it. They are called Alapinos Toreros Conceso.
Con queso.
Yeah. And the other one, Volcanos.
Volcanes.
That's very easy. So yeah, it's Mexican. What do we order in main course? I want something rice, amma. You said everything is veg here, but they are serving egg. Something is coming with a fried egg. I saw.
Many people consider egg as veg. There is a long.
That's
going
brand
debate.
new information, guys.
I have seen some people even on Instagram telling egg is veg, and some scientists have considered egg as veg.
Yeah, so you guys have a question now. Sorry, question to answer. Tell me whether egg is veg or non-veg. And I know people can say it's vegetarian and all the crap. I'm gonna click here. What is it? So yeah, I'm gonna do like a proper vlogger situation now. I do know.
Not frequent.
I did not. We got our drink. I'm gonna try. What is it?
Horchata.
Horchata. I'm gonna try. We don't get any straw. That looks yum.
Badam pukla. To be honest. Photo తీసుకోలేదు అసలు.
It's good. I don't know. Something is there అందులో that we are very aware
నాన్
of.
ఆల్కహాలిక్ అని చెప్పాను కదా.
Something that we eat, not alcohol, obviously. Exactly. Cardamom. Oh yeah, cinnamon. Exactly. వంట రాదనుకున్నా but she's very strong, but yum, no? That's called horchata. Horchata. It's basically rice milk. That's very
I never had rice.
yeah, that's what we have. Illiterate. So it's basically Mexican rice milk with a hint of cinnamon. That's exactly it is, and it's yum. I like it. And the fact that he got it in seconds. He ordered just now, and that's very fast. Can we please eat, ma'am? If you let me eat. That looks yum and smells yum.
ఎలా తినాలి?
Like answer. Baked mushroom, some kind of mushroom,
Volcanoes.
but that looks yum. Let's try. I think we're supposed to eat with fork. I think at least. I don't know. Are you sure?
Yeah, fork and knife.
Right. That looks yum, Anusha.
తినేసాం ఇద్దరం కలిసి తిన్నామంట.
Yeah. I'm excited. Yum.
ఉప్పు కొంచెం ఎక్కువైంది.
Now, సరిపోయింది.
You know why?
It is spicy. I think we're supposed to squeeze this one.
స్పైసీ ఉంది మంచిగా.
Yum. I think this is volcano.
వాల్కెనస్.
This, I know for sure. I would hate that. There's too big. That's not good. I'm gonna kick your ass.
నాకేం తెలుసు తినలేదు.
They're doing this trend. I don't know. Nick tells ledo. They put Cheetos in Alpinos, this cream cheese, and then lemon, and they.
So the federal aviation agency was like, no, we're not going to allow this. Okay, but now, if
Madam taking photo.
you just feel a
want
mild
smaller one.
bend and you don't feel the
Okay, what is
on
it?
the ground.
Jalapenos.
So now
Sauce.
there are controlled experiments to allow like
That looks so
that
weird.
Soy sauce.
So maybe by the time you plan, it might be.
Hate it?
Yeah, no, but it's interesting. See, things are changing.
I don't want it.
My God.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh God, that is spicy.
They discontinued the power of the tracks on the on the
So eat. It's all yours.
అంత స్పైసీ ఏముంది అంటే jalapeno's మన మిరపకాయల కంటే స్పైసీ ఏం కాదు.
Usually I don't like mirchi flavor.
Shreya might like this.
Oh God, I need this immediately.
Very nice.
All yours. In the beginning it's nice. After taste I didn't like it much.
Because of the heat.
Because of the
Jalapeno. That's what makes the flavor very interesting to me actually.
That looks yum. Let's go. Can you please help me also?
ప్రస్తుతానికి ఇది చాలా
Yeah.
ఇంకొంచెం వేయాలి.
Cha-cha.
And you are also like avocados. So
Oh yeah, I love them. Let's go.
yeah.
It's gonna be messy. Be prepared.
Mexican food is supposed to be this. నిమ్మకాయ ఉందా? No, I'm actually not only lemon,
I do.
just a squeeze.
నేను కాయను మొత్తం పడుతున్నావు.
Okay, ఇది vlog గా
Yeah.
just a squeeze.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll
Should we begin now?
yes.
At least.
Cheers. Very mild.
Fresh.
Yeah, fresh.
Love it. I think we're supposed to put in koncham. Kada?
No harm.
This is my food.
And actually feels healthy while eating.
Tell me how much would you rate the first drink?
Out of 10. 7 out of 10.
For me, 8.5. Very
7
different.
because
Cinnamon is not your cup of tea.
no, I like cinnamon. I like the taste, everything. But not very different from badam milk.
No, it doesn't taste like badam milk though. It's good. It's different.
That's because I don't drink milk usually. But I like the taste.
Usually the dorke drinks kana, it's very different and yum. And the
I like
next,
cinnamon.
next we had something with mushroom. Don't ask me the names.
Volcanis.
Yeah, beautiful.
Volcanis with mushroom.
Beautiful. How
Yeah.
much?
8.5.
Yeah,
Easily 8.5
solid
to 9.
8.5 to 9. Beautiful. I'm not a big fan of mushroom though. It was too good.
Even
the
10
next-
would not be an injustice.
Ah, yeah.
For me, jalapenos are 10. Stuffed
And then
Stuffed
we had
jalapenos
like
are
a stuffed jalapeno situation, which I didn't like because I don't like chili. Yeah, anything chili I don't like. So you would rate 10. And the soy sauce, beautiful. And then we are having some tacos with avocado. 10. Easy 10 maybe. Because so fresh and it's been so healthy already.
Yeah.
Too good. Overall, for the place, for the ambience, for the service and everything.
9.
Easy 10. Like there's no single element that I did
Yeah,
not like
yeah.
here. Not even a single thing. The washroom, check.
First things first.
The ambience, check. Music, I don't think so. You can really hear the music, but there is music. Like correct amount of volume. That's something that I really love. Ambience, the service, staff is very sweet.
And is being a little stingy.
Ante.
Totally deserves 10.
Which I should be honestly. I am the one who always complains.
Yeah.
But I really love the food. It's different. If you wanna try Mexican in Bengaluru, the place is called Commodore. Commodore. It's in Indira Nagar. Beautiful place. It's very tiny, but very nice. And this avocado sushi. Sorry, my bad. Taco is too good. Everything feels so healthy.
The quality of ingredients used.
Yeah, too good. It's very calm and very nice if you wanna come with your friends or just to have a nice time. Too good. If you are someone like us, gossip girls, you'll like it again. You can talk whatever you wanna talk because it's very calm, silent. You can't see anything what's happening outside because of these glasses. See?
The art, have you seen the art?
Yeah.
Mexican art.
Everything is on point, so it's a 10 from my side, 9 from Anusha. Good recommendation.
9.5.
And for the first time, I think it's my first time where I genuinely like food in Bangalore. Not a single time, be it Asian, Indian, whatever it is. I think this is the first time. I think last time Smash Guys also not bad. This one really impressed me. Beautiful food. And then where are we going now?
Not decided.
We'll go to. I'll show you guys. What do you mean?
Book.
Very organized though. Very nice. మనం ఏం చదివేది లేదు కానీ బుక్ స్టోర్కి వచ్చినాం. I wish I can pick up something. కానీ I don't read only. These are charms and people are going crazy over charms. I hope I'm audible, guys. What to do with charms? I have no clue. People are going gaga over these charms. They are on. They are in
Even
church.
తీసుకున్నామా?
No, I don't want to take. For what?
Souvenir.
Okay. Just for the souvenir. నేను వేరే కంట్రీకి వచ్చిన I'll take some souvenirs. But nice.
ఎಷ್ಟన్నా ఉన్నాను?
Some different things.
చాలా మంది వచ్చి ఉన్నారు.
We came to Church Street. Ammo. It's
packed.
Yeah, it's supremely crowded. Oh God. And I don't know why people are going crazy with over charms here. And apparently we picked two. Just we came and everybody, they're getting them, so we thought we get. Can you show them the charms that we got? It's like a souvenir. As if I'm in USA. We got chilies. I wanted to get Evil Eye, but someone said no, we don't want Evil Eye. We just had Mexican food. So we picked up chilies. There's no story. There's no connection.
We are also
nothing.
Mitchi, right? We are Mitchi.
Oh yeah, we are hot. I do get that quite a lot. So yeah. But the weather is very nice, beautiful.
Cheese pull.
shy or anything. I'm just vlogging. I'm not comfortable with my dress also, but still I'm vlogging because everything is mismatching. I wore Anushka's pants again, this top, and
It's
then
not mismatching at all.
and you have to see my sliders. They're very bad and not going with my outfit, but still I'm going like a woman. అదే wise అవ్వడం అంటే ఏంటి? This is what wise. Look at this boys. So many people around me, but I'm still talking to camera like I'm not giving shit. And ఈ రోజు నేను ట్రెడిషనల్ attire లో ఉన్నా. If you didn't already notice, someone is not matching with me. She's like very posh auntie.
అలానే ఉంది.
And while coming in auto, we put scarves on. So we were like, we exactly look like Muslims. We do.
Please don't add this in now.
I do, but fine. See, I'm not against any religion. It's just that people always say that I look like Muslim, North Indian, Christian. Yesterday also he started asking, are you from North, Tamil, Kannada? I'm from Telugu. So yesterday in the comedy show, he was talking about arranged marriage. And I was like, I was yawning yesterday. That's the reason he came to me. He came on to me. He was like, where are you from? Are you North, Tamil or Kannada? I said Telugu. Then you are... because he knew Telugu parents are way more worse than any other parents when it comes to arranged marriage. In all South India, I think we stand first. Our parents take the first rank. Proud to be Telugu girl. So yeah, let's order some and I'll show you guys. Brick oven nida there are so many mixed opinions.
Yeah, I also don't have like opinion.
Even I don't. The place doesn't look promising. The ambience and everything is fine though.
At least inside is fine.
Yeah.
Outside they are not maintaining.
Yeah.
It's like some.
I'll let you guys know. How is it? పర్వాలేదా?
నేను బ్రెడ్ ఒకటి తిన్నాం. నువ్వు టేస్ట్ చేసి చెప్పు ఫస్ట్.
I need my avocado toast should be very good for me to actually.
ఇది వేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నాం. చిల్లీ ఆయిల్ బాగాలేదా? ప్రైస్ ఓకేనా పోనీ?
Guacamole చేయలేదు అంతే.
ఇది క్వాక్ కాదు.
But nice. And we have some basic bagel and cream cheese.
That looks good.
That looks good curry. I think it's extremely soft. I don't like my bagel to be soft.
I never ate a bagel. Not good.
Not bagel.
Just a sandwich.
The place is okay. Very okay. You wanna try? Not bad, Uda. It's okay. It shouldn't be
The taste
soft.
is okay.
Naga, that small kid when she's eating, I understood. It's gonna be extremely soft because she's just biting so easy.
It has to be toasted.
Not toasted. Very hard now. Stretchy undali.
Okay. But I don't like something that's that chewy. But I like the taste. I like the taste of this cream cheese. I like
Cream juice could have been better.
I'll maybe have some Tabasco to add some flavor.
You're very wrong. She's doing everything that is wrong. She put chili oil. Chili oil on that we use on pizza. That chili oil she put. And now she's adding Tabasco.
Everything Mexican, Italian,
Yeah. She added chili flakes.
Mexican
And
Tabasco.
chili oil is not supposed to put on avocado, but I do. It's yum. Chili oil is Asian. The chili oil is Italian. Oh God. I didn't record anything. I was speaking for almost 5 minutes now. Then we're going to matcha and everything. Yeah. So yeah. What was I telling? We're on the streets of Indiranagar and we're going to have some nice drinks now. The place is called Latte & Co. It's the second take, by the way.
Yeah.
You need to appreciate me. Okay? So we saw this place, nice matcha place yesterday. So So we want to try matcha. Very interesting matcha. It's called salted caramel matcha. Very nice. Anything that is salt. Oh, Greek yogurt, Anusha. So much of it. So yeah, salted caramel matcha. We'll do matcha first, and then we'll see if it's nice. Then we can do one coffee. Yeah.
This vlog is
Inta
going to be
organic-
a lot of editing.
Lot of editing though.
Lot of cuts.
We were rating brick oven. I mean, it's not bad. Not very.
Could be a lot better.
Yeah. Both were very underwhelming. Both the bagel and toast. Chala. I mean, they were not bad, honestly.
I never
They're
had
eatable.
a bagel. This is the first bagel I've ever
Oh, it's
had.
extremely soft.
But
It's
I-
softer than bread. Bagel shouldn't be like that.
Okay.
If you don't know about bagel should be very
But I didn't
stretchy
like
and
the
hard.
texture of the
Bread, no?
bread, yeah.
True. Even I didn't like it. It's not like bun. It's not like bagel. I don't know what it is.
I'm not sure if I'd like an actual bagel as well, because you said
Very, yeah.
you have to get used to it. No, it grows on you.
Yes. So yeah, I would rate, like, I'm being very nice here. I'll rate 6. She rated 7. Upper boy in the clip. She did rate it. So yeah, 6 maybe. And am I
We can
coming
agree.
back?
We can agree.
Am I coming back to the place?
No.
Not really. And there was this loud auntie. God. We were extremely irritated and we want to leave the place immediately just because she's
The
very
whole
loud.
place- The whole place.
They're like, 6-member family or friends. I don't know
She is
who
the
are
only
they.
spokesperson
Uh-huh.
of that group.
Yeah, nobody's talking in the entire group, and she was like, oh god, yelling, shouting, and excited about everything, and she knows everything. Oh god. So yeah, we'll go grab some matcha. I'll read it. Bye bye.
It's better not disappoint us, otherwise it would be.
Yeah, it
Very
better not
infuriating.
disappoint us. The weather is nice, walkable, doable. So, fine. No, it's yum. I like it.
It's bad.
No, you never had matcha.
I had obviously.
I love it.
నీకు క్యారమెల్ టేస్ట్ వస్తుందా అసలు?
I like it.
I didn't like it.
Try inko sorry.
కలిపావా బాగా? ఇంకా కలుపు.
Nothing else is there to kalpu. I loved it. It's like very like matcha. They didn't do any crap with it. I like it. I really like it.
I didn't get any salted caramel. నాకు ఇందా కలపకుండా కొంచెం వచ్చింది.
Should we ask them to put more? Go ask him. Anta tagiraki, you can't ask him. Go now. I like it. You wanna have some coffee?
No. ఇంకా చైనీస్ దానికి పోదాం.
Salt వచ్చింది.
సాల్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు స్టార్టింగ్ లో సాల్ట్ వచ్చింది, ఇందాక రాని కూడా లేదు. సాల్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫర్ మీ సాల్ట్ ఇస్ సేవింగ్ ద టేస్ట్.
8.59. Good. I don't think so you would rate the same.
No.
How much?
6.5 because of the salted caramel.
So good.
For me, the salted caramel is saving this for me, for my taste palette. But I'm not getting it.
Yum. I like it. Very good. I don't know. ఎలా తింటా తీసే I don't want. అది నా ప్లేట్ తీసుకోండి. అన్ని వెజిటబుల్సా? చాలా చల్లగా అయిపోయింది అందుకని అప్పుడు తెచ్చిపెట్టాడు. పాస్ చేస్తే లేదు again very tiny Chinese outlet. Name ఏంటి అనుషా? It's called Wani. It's very tiny and like old Chinese place. Very nice. I love this kind of food. We ordered some lemon chicken and rice. we are at Glenn's Bakery. We saw it and we couldn't resist. We had no space whatsoever. Like chinny space kuda ledu, but we want to eat something. I've heard Glenn's Bakery has some really nice desserts. అక్కడ మేము Chinese place also very very impulsive. I saw it and I want to have it. So అక్కడ పోయి we ordered, but we did not eat. Maybe like 25% కూడా we did not eat. But still, we are here trying some minis. Which one you want to try? Lemon or red velvet?
దేనికి స్పేస్ అయితే లేదు. ఇది పేపరా?
Yeah.
You work with this. I'll have half of this.
Cheers. They seem very fresh though. What do you think?
Okay. Nice. Soft ఉంది.
Fresh. I've never had lemon tart before.
Me too.
I like it.
నాకే నచ్చింది, ఇది కూడా బాగుంది. చాలు.
There's a lot of eggy. Done. I think
Tasted Glenn's house.
Glenn's house, but space in India. We have tried all minis. There are so many variety of minis.
Very cute.
So many macarons, so many chocolate tarts,
Yeah.
so many cupcakes.
They have a nice collection.
Cheesecakes unnai. They have.
The carrot cheesecake is so cute.
You should have seen the carrot cheesecake. It's so cute, and the place is also very cute. You go inside, you just keep going up there. It's like
a పాతకాలం house.
hunt. We play that game,
Treasure
no?
hunt.
Treasure hunt laga. You have to go inside. Just keep going. It's in Indiranagar.
This is
I think they have branches. Very nice. Tart is too eggy, but very nice.
It's very light and fluffy.
Now we are going to Commercial Street. Again impulsive. Vere pan ledu. Kadupu full undi. We don't know what to do.
నడవాలి.
Yeah. See you.
ఇక్కడ